Welcome everybody. Today I have a great pleasure to welcome Colm Durham, who is actually representing Nurture Space. And this is something amazing because I emphasize how health is crucial, or also not only in their private life, but also in the professional life. And something incredible, it's a blend of nutrition, breath, and yoga. A beautiful combination that can definitely help you not only in your private and professional life. Now, at the end, you probably would like to tell us about your new 30-day inner transformation. But did I miss something from the introduction itself?
No, not at all, Chris. So we help professionals, a lot of people in caring professionals or high stress kind of jobs they might be going through, and they're always constantly on the go. This is what we specialize in, and they've no balance in their life, so they need the nurturing nutrition to feed. See, food is like information. It's like feeds the cells as well. It's not just something that we eat to fill up, but it can calm you down during a busy work day. It can help you de-stress. And then with the techniques, with the breathing and yoga techniques and mindfulness, it helps people kind of, revitalize their energy for life and just feel better about themselves on a day-to-day basis. So it's something I do together with my partner, Rachael. And we're absolutely, I can speak more about the inner transformation at the end, but that's totally what it's about. It's not just about looking good on the outside or feeling good. It's how we feel inside and how we can calm ourselves down. And obviously at this time, there's a lot of people and they're going through a lot of stuff, and we just need to be there for them and to help them as much as we can, so.
Absolutely. And I see a great sphere that we can complement each other, because me dealing with them and very much focus on the process, and I need to have them fully present with me. And I very often ask them questions, which I've learned actually going through many major psychologist works. But one of them was Jordan Peterson, who mentioned that he had a case of a woman. She came with him a problem that she was feeling fatigued all the time, tired. But happens when he asked her about her diet, she wasn't eating almost at all. And if you really need to focus on your professional life, enjoy it, you need to make sure that you take care of your health. You look at this also with a great seriousness to making sure that everything is balanced. And that leads me to a first question of today. Feel free to join our LinkedIn group. Hopefully I will see you soon. Thank you.